morning sun. No, it's not really sunny. Anyway, good morning, people. Has been raining really strong yesterday. Luckily, my tent resisted to the heavy water. Everything was dry inside. You can see my dusty flip-flops and my dusty tent. A lot of people left also. I'm gonna get something warm to eat today. It's a little bit colder in the morning. Una tostada con tortilla if the kitchen is open. Yesterday at night everything was closed. Wish me luck.
I've been asked if I wanted one or half of tostada or two. That means the entire double tostada, and this is a giant tostada. Maybe it's even too much. I was hungry. After this giant breakfast, I'm gonna be ready to go.
So this morning I left the camping and I'm heading out of the mountains, out of the natural parks. I would use the plural because I discovered there were many parks, one after the other.
Parque Natural de los Calares del Mundo y de la Cima. Parque Natural de las Sierras de Cazorla. Then there is another one, but it didn't close.
All together they put a large green area on the map. I thought it was only one park, but there are many. So I have been riding a little bit along the river at the bottom of the valley, and then happily I started to go up. I scared the poor goat. Oh no, this one is not scared at all.
I'm reaching the top, not too high.
Oh, I'm going down again. I went up to 1,200 meters at
Paso de las Panos. I always drink the names, it's my thing. Now I'm going down and I'm heading to an area with lots of olive trees.
I was talking with the woman of the camping, and she
Told me in this province they cover the 20% of the entire world olive oil production.
of course of all kinds of quality.
But still, the 20% of the entire world olive oil production. Can you imagine that?
Look at that. Oh, look at that castle. Spectacular. This area is really touristic. As you can see, there's also a train going up, I guess, to the castle. Luckily it's not high season right now. It just started the low season. It's not too crowded.
And yet too much traffic.
Tanto mi levo la macchina dal che
I hate to have the cars on the back of my bike.
So I was on the right path. Checked on the map. I'm getting out of here, and as soon as we are out of the town, we go straight into the olive tree fields. Just have to keep going on this road. Oh. There was a rider with a giant teddy bear back of the bike. It was so funny. I don't know if you can see it. You cannot see the end of the area with olive trees. It's impressive. So extended you can't see the end.
Red de carreteras de Andalucía.
No sé. I maybe wanted to go that way. Again, I was just right.
The area with olive trees is so extensive.
It's creating a unique view, absolutely incredible
so wonderful. I love it.
I don't know what happened, but I didn't record. It just went a little bit in the wrong direction, so I'm heading back to the mountains. As you can see, the lobby is 12 kilometers. I'm finally riding in the middle of the olive trees fields in a secondary road. And it's been a really nice ride, I have to say it, with a really good view, which I didn't record. I was trying to avoid so big bumps because I'm scared the bags will fall out of the bike. They won't, but to be sure, I want to eat something.
Honestly, when the woman of the camping told me that in this area they were producing the 20% of the entire oil production of the world, I have to say that sounded quite too much. But now that I'm here, I have to say it sounds quite right.
I've seen anything like this. I'm Italian, I'm from Tuscany, famous for the best olive oil in the world. I can say it. But I've never seen anything like this landscape. Very beautiful, incredible, unique. I'll say unique. She was explaining me that hasn't been raining in the summer, but also hasn't been raining during the winter, last winter. So they really need rain, because otherwise there will not be so much of olive production. Consequently, of course, neither olive oil. It's amazing. Cammino del Sastre. Decided to keep on going on this direction till the end of the road. So, feeling tired. Nubes negras. Que no hay un área recreativa ahí, aquí, en esta p***era. Answer my question on my own, because it's not a touristic area. It's a working, producing area. We are not supposed to enjoy our time in this place, enjoy the view, but without God. And when the mountains, un pájaro. Don't kill the bird. I was trying to say something and then I get distracted. Maybe because I'm riding. Oops. Oh, is it? No, it's on the window. My lunch. Hummus, salad, crackers. and the castle ruins that I'm gonna go check out after eating before feeding. Bon appetit! Really hurts. I'm a little bit cool. I had something better, but didn't really want to open the bag and take everything out, be organized. It is perfectly fine. This cracker with a lot of seeds, sesame seeds. Thank you very much. Sun over my head. What a wonderful day. So good. I don't believe it. I just checked the time. It's already 6 o'clock p.m. and I am taking lunch right now. Of course I was feeling that falling in the mood.
Let's go and check out the castle.
I'm not sure you can get in.
I'm just walking around the ruins just to see if I can get in. And not. It didn't seem like it, so it was nice to see it all around.
I'm also thinking to pitch my tent over here somewhere and spend the night here because it's so late. It's not so late, it's late already to run around, find a place to sleep in. It's a little bit dangerous.
I don't know why ruins are so fascinating.
This was definitely a church. I'm gonna try and find somebody to ask. Still in the land of olive trees. It doesn't look like there's anybody here.
Hola, ¿hay nadie?
No hay nadie. Necesito absolutamente quitarme la jaqueta. Un perro. Perros siempre hay. Cuando me he acercado no he ladrado para nada y ahora
I have to confess, I'm a little afraid of dogs. Mostly if I'm at the loose on their own, you know. These dogs, they sound like they're crying. I think they are closed up. It's a kind of building on the side of the house or something.
por la mañana mira un montón de gente. So I have decided to stay here. You can see behind me in the middle of the ruins on the side of the castle where I was before. I'm really tired. And I tried to look for someone and ask if it was okay for me to spend the night here. I couldn't find anyone. I went down and up and everywhere. There's no one. Anyway, car of some kind of guard. I didn't really read if it was forestal guard or civil guard. A guy came up here with a car. I don't know if he saw me or something. I asked him if it was okay, if
no problem, there is no one is gonna bother me, and I don't bother anyone, and but maybe it's possible that there's gonna be someone in the morning, but everything is gonna be fine. So I'm gonna show you the place. Here is my bike. It is exactly where I was before, but I found a place between two hills, so I am a little bit more repaired from the wind because it's really windy. I'm gonna set up the tent and get ready to relax because I really need it. There is nothing like free camping. I just love it. I get to see the sunset from unique places like this one. I'm all set for tonight. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the morning.